Hello, students. My name is Lankeshwar Panigrahi. Today we are going to discuss about advantages and disadvantages of internet. So in our last session we have already covered about the internet overview and introduction to internet and also uses of internet. Okay. So today we are going to discuss some of the advantages as well as disadvantages of internet. Okay. So here are some advantages relating to your internet connection or internet facility. So internet covers almost every aspect of life one can think of. Here we will discuss some of the advantages of internet. So first one is social networking. Second one is education and technology. Third one is entertainment, and fourth one is online services. That means social networking means today we are using our social activities like Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, YouTube. These all are called as social networking. By means of that social networking, we will communicate with our remote location friend, or remote location neighbors, or relatives, anything else, and we will know different types of informations through the active social networking sites, as well as there are many more features relating to the social networking sites. Okay. Next is education and technology. Nowadays we are taking the online classes, and many more websites are there by which we can download our notes regarding to your education. Okay, and we will register. The education websites are there like Byju's.com, Unacademy, like that. There we can register our name. By registering the names and paying some fees, we will taking the video classes as well as also. Okay, so this type of education facilities and technology facilities are also available in internet. If the internet is not connection is not there, then we will not entertain this type of activities. Okay, so entertainment like the different types of videos, games, those which are available in our Play Store, we will download it and we will use it for entertainment purpose. And the online services like online money transactions, applying the different type of forms, this all type of activities are comes under your online services. Okay, so these four basic advantages are there like social networking, education and technologies, entertainments, and online services. Okay, so first is internet allows us to communicate with the people sitting at remote locations. There are various apps available on the web that uses internet. This is not a web, this is web. Okay, that uses internet as a medium or communication. One can find various social networking sites such as Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, Google Plus, Flickr, Orkut, etc. Okay. So next is one can search for any kind of information over the internet, and information regarding various topics such as technology, health and science, social studies, geographical information, and information technologies, products, etc. can be surfed with help of a search engine. Apart from communication and source of information, internet also serves a medium for entertainment. Following are the various modes of entertainment over the internet, like online television, like Jio TV, okay, and online games, songs, videos, social networking apps is all are only possible due to internet connection. Next is internet allows us to use many services like online services like internet banking, matrimonial services, online shopping, online ticket booking, online bill payment, data sharing, as well as email services. Okay, so these all online services can be available with us if internet is there. If not internet is there, then we will not survive this type of, or we cannot regulate this type of social activities, okay, or online activities. Okay, next is internet provides concept of electronic commerce or e-commerce that allows the business deals to be conducted on electronic systems. Okay, so next is your disadvantages. So what are the different disadvantages? Threat to personal information, spamming, cybercrime, and virus attacks. So internet has proved to be powerful source of information in almost every field. Yet there exist many disadvantages. Okay, we will discuss one by one. So there are always chances to lose personal information such as a name, address, credit card number, etc. Therefore, one should be very careful while sharing such information. One should use credit cards only through authenticated sites. Okay? So this is called as your personal threats. Okay, threats to personal information. Okay, we will not public our own information like our credit card number, name, address, and debit card also. This type of information we will not share. That is our personal information. Okay, if we will share these personal informations, then people will taking the informations, they will do any type of unauthenticated type. Okay, that's why we will not give this type of personal information. Okay, next another disadvantage is spamming. So spamming corresponds to the unwanted emails in bulk. These emails serve no purpose and lead to obstruction of entire systems. Okay. Spamming means the unwanted emails are came from different types of websites, okay, that are called spamming, okay, which will cause harm to our systems or emails. Okay. Next is a virus can easily be spread to the computers connected to internet. Okay. Such virus attacks may cause your system damage or crash, or your important data may get deleted. Okay. So may attack virus attack will cause our system damage. That's why this is also a disadvantage. Also, a biggest threat on internet is pornography. So there are many pornographic sites that can be found, letting your children to use internet, which indirectly affects the children healthy mental life. Okay. So there are various websites that don't provide the authenticated information. This leads to misconception among many people. Okay. So this is all about your advantages and the disadvantages of internet. Okay. So we will go through it. If you have any doubts, then you can ask. Thank you.